Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Pinterest tab, and then in the Pinterest tab it usually opens up in the home menu with our feed, but from here we have to go into the saved menu. And then in the saved menu, in the top right corner, we find the little cog. And if we tap on this, then we can go into the settings. In the settings, we tap on account management. And then we find the email button. If we tap on this, we can edit the email that we have given and update it to our new one. After we are done with the changing, we just go back and it's pretty much done. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.